Hi, this is Greg Davis with MarineMax in Savannah. Wanted to give you a quick look at a Scout 277 LXF that we just had arrive. This one's with the Yamaha 200 horse outboard engines. Does have their live well, great back bench seat here. This has the Yeti that stows away, drink holders, rod holders, prep sink, prep area, rocket launchers, built-in J&L speaker system, spreader lights. Does have the VHF mounted on the top. Give you a quick look at the dash here. Twin 12-inch Garmin displays. This one has the Yamaha diagnostic display. This one is your charting and sonar. Great layout, joystick piloting, game-changing feature for docking in this area. Full glass windshield, but they left a little space at the top so you can get a little ventilation. We'll walk around to the front and I'll show you the bow. Up here on the bow, you've got a great filler cushion that fills the entire area. Windlass with your operating controls at the bow. There's a seat with a cooler here that drains overboard. There's storage in the bottom here, storage under each seat. Great access for your anchor line here also. This one does have a spreader light at the top and speakers up front. Walking around this way, does have a vacuum flush head. Fish boxes in the floor. If you'd like information on this model or any model we have here in Savannah, please feel free to give me a call, 912-897-9881. Thank you.